Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a very interesting product. There are headphones, and I always told you that headphone reviews are not concluded on YouTube because you cannot actually hear the headphones, how they sound. So every review, when you see it on YouTube and someone tells you that wow, they sound great, it's just his opinion because you cannot assess how they sound. So that's not to be reviewed, but I'm going to talk about this model because they have some special functions that you do not find in other headphones, and this makes them very interesting. So for instance, they have compatibility with the PlayStation 5, but that's not all. They also are compatible with a PC, and I'm also going to take them out of the box. So what happens, you buy an expensive set of headphones for the PlayStation, but you actually want to use them with your mobile phone or with your smart TV or with another device. And because using them on PC or PlayStation requires their own dedicated receiver, which in the case of these headphones is hidden here. So I can take this out. So this is the transmitter. Actually, it's not the receiver. The receiver is built into the headphones, so you need to plug this in your PlayStation or into your PC, so this provides sound to your headphones. But that's all. So if I want to use this with another device, such as listening to music on my phone, uh, you cannot do that with other headphones. But with these ones, you have this tiny switch here, which shows 2.5 off and Bluetooth. So actually you can choose the working mode, and they have dual connectivity. So with the Bluetooth mode, you can connect them to anything that has regular Bluetooth, so you can listen to music on your smart TV, on your phone, on your tablet. Anything else works with that. And when you, even on your laptop, when you are traveling, you can use them for audio calls. But if you want surround sound or other effects or lag free communication or better quality, you can use the included dongle here. Another advantage of this model is the microphone. Actually, they don't have a microphone sticking out. They have beamforming AI enhanced microphones. They might not be as good as regular sticking out microphones, but they do look like regular headphones and are a lot more comfortable without something poking out of them. As for adjusting, you can of course adjust them. They have pivots to be very comfortable. And they do not fold more than this, but they do this swivel around, so you can wear around your neck, or put them on their desk like this, so they take less space or are comfortable when you are wearing them. In the box you are going also to find some other things. In this box, of course, you are going to get also some manuals and warranty card. And in this box here, you are going to find the charging cable, which is USB Type C. It plugs in here on this side, and you also get another set of pads, but they are different types. So these are kind of textile material, and these are the synthetic leather type ones that after some years start to disintegrate. This one should not have that problem, and this one also provides better perspiration support for your ears because they allow moisture to get in and get dissipated, while this one just keeps something wet on your skin. You get the idea. Also, you get this small adapter here because not all PCs or computers or laptops or notebooks have USB Type C for this sender here. So you have this adapter, so you can plug this and then use a regular USB port on your notebook or your PC to use the provided communicator. To control the headphones and the software for them on the PC, it's the Armory Crate from ASUS, and you get them here on devices. You can select ROG Delta S wireless, and now I'm entering the setup for the adjustment for the headphones, and you have a bit of settings here that you can adjust. I'm going to put this on full screen. Is there something else? Yes, here, so they do not fit all on the screen. The app is a bit sluggish. It's not their best app, but it gets the job done, and you don't have to twinkle with it all the time. You just select here some of the settings and you are done with that. You also have an option here to add a quick check here so you can see the remaining power of the headphone set. So there's not much here so that you can actually change. They work only on 60 bits, 48,000 hertz. You can enable, disable the virtual surround, and if you click on the tests here, it does actually make sound that comes from that direction. So the virtual 5.7.1 works. You get an equalizer, you get the noise gate, perfect voice, so a bit of adjustments. I'm using the AI noise cancelling for the microphone right now, and the sound that you are using is from the beamforming mics from the headphones themselves, and it's now set on low. Um, I'm just going to leave it that way. Also, you have some sound optimization here for a few things, and you get a custom option that you can probably adjust something here. With the flat equalizer, you can turn it off or on. You can create every kind of profile that you want, or you can reset them all. Then on the power here, you have the option to actually show you the battery percentage, the notification that is on the taskbar, and then you can also switch the sleep mode. So when the headphones don't get any kind of audio signals, they can power off to save battery. The disadvantage of this is that you actually, until now, I haven't discovered any kind of way to reactivate them. So you actually need to turn them off and then back on. And now the question that I was avoiding, how do they sound? And I'm going to tell you that they sound great because they actually sound very natural. They don't deform sound. They don't have too powerful low frequency or too high frequencies. They are just actually natural, so nothing is emphasized in some kind of way. I'm going to say that they sound actually like a flat equalizer. So it's perfect that way because I want to adjust them in the ways that I like. I don't want them to have too powerful bass that I need to actually lower, or too powerful mids that I need to lower. No, with flat equalizer they sound like the recording was done. So I really like that. I really like that, a lot of them, and you have to believe me that it's that way because you cannot hear them. So why I do recommend them, I like the microphones that are missing physically, and they do sound decent as you have heard them. And I like the dual connectivity so that I can use them with all my devices, so I don't have to have separate pair of headphones, one for the PC, one for the PlayStation, one for the TV or phones. So with this set, it's the only set that I need, and it works with all my devices. So for that, they get a thumbs up, and that's why I actually bought them, to get rid of all the other headphones and combinations. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this review, and until my next one, see you and bye bye.